Brace for impact, major economic data and Fed decisions set to shake markets. This Wednesday morning, bears will aim to take over the negative baton after Nifty ended on a wobbly note in yesterday's trade. A bad start on cards. But we suspect Nifty bulls will aim to keep their head above water. Investors' attention will be trained on Wednesday's release of India's CPI inflation and IIP data at 5:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. China's CPI and PPI numbers. The US May inflation data to trickle in at 6 p.m. Indian Standard Time. An interest rate decision by the Federal Reserve to p.m. EST. Long story short, expect fireworks only if US CPI cools. Also, please note, the Fed is expected to maintain interest rates steady, but the markets could tumble if Fed's guidance is hawkish. Global cues are negative. In yesterday's trade, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of Rs 111 crores. DIIs were net buyers to the tune of Rs 3192 crores. Sentiments for the day is likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals are indicating overbought conditions. FANO June month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 22,500 to 24,000 zone. India VIX has cooled further towards 14.76 levels. Nifty PCR, 27th June, is at 1.11 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 26th June, is at 1.01. Nifty outlook, an up and down session is likely. Nifty, CMP to 3265. Support, 23,100 to 23,000. Resistance, 23,400 to 23,500. Range, 23,100 to 23,400. Bias, sideways. Bank Nifty, CMP 49706. Support, 49,500 to 49,300. Resistance, 50,000 to 50,200. Range, 49,500 to 50,000. Bias, sideways. The World Bank sees India's GDP growth at 6.7% in FY26 and 6.8% in FY27. The global agency has said that India will remain the fastest growing of the world's largest economies, although its pace of expansion is expected to moderate. The World Bank now sees the US economy growing at 2.5% in 2024. Meanwhile, Ola Electric gets SEBI approval for Rs 7,250 crore IPO.